You're welcome to this video on how to manage class arms on the SchoolTry portal. Remember, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, ensure you do so by clicking the subscribe button below. We are right now on the SchoolTry's website, www.schooltry.com, and this is where we're going to be making all the magic happen. Take for example, before you can add a class arm, you have to log into your dashboard either as an admin or as a subadmin. This is because the class arms make you group your classes in different subsections in case you want to reduce the number of students in a specific class. So take for example, you get to have JSS 1A, JSS 1B, or JSS 1 Gold, JSS 1 Silver. So this is how you can do that completely on the SchoolTry portal. So first you have to log into your school's dashboard, your admin or your subadmin dashboard. Mine for this tutorial video is DMS Model School. Now we are on our dashboard, which is DMS Model School's dashboard. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you come to manage classes. Now remember in the previous video we discussed on how to manage classes on the SchoolTry portal, and we promise that we're going to be creating a video on how to manage class arms. So here is how you can manage class arms. You come to manage class arms. This lists are the existing class arms that has been created. So the mission here is to teach you how to open a new class arm, manage it, add it. So here we go. You come to add class arm. Those are the right top corner here. You come to manage class arm, and once you do that directly, you have three forms to fill. You have class arm name, you have select class group, you have select classes. So right now we've selected JSS1 Silver, and selecting JSS1 Silver simply means that I simply typed in JSS1 Silver, and then you select the class group, which is secondary, and that's secondary here. Pick on secondary, and then you select classes. When you select classes, it simply means you could just select JSS1. Remember, the class arm's name is JSS1 Silver, but the class that is allocated to is JSS1. So under JSS1, we have JSS1 Silver. So under JSS1 as a class, you also have the class group, which is secondary. So you see, that is how we get to break it down completely until we get to our desired level of filtering now. You click on save, and that's it. As you can see, it says class arm has been added successfully. Alrighty then, so did you like this video? Ensure you click on the subscribe button and also click thumbs up button.